Welcome, my friend. I'm glad you're here because we're going to share with you some stories on how the Now Lifestyle family and experience can change your lifestyle, your health, and your income by simply following a few steps. This is the Now Lifestyle experience.
See, with Now Lifestyle, they have given me a sense of purpose.
It's given me my smile back, my confidence, and not only that, I feel like I'm surrounded by family.
Now Lifestyle allows us to help people change their lives.
You have great food, great time, and you're around some great people.
It's an absolute amazing company, and being with them as long as I have all the trust, the faith in the world in them.
And so finally, like I said, what your future looks like, you're going to get better health, you're going to get better wealth, you're going to get better personal relationships, you're going to start to develop, you're going to realize that from our Facebook group to the emails from your sponsor and even from your downline and from Joel himself, you will get that family experience.
So we have everything you need for a business in a box,
In Now Lifestyle, after all the other businesses I've been involved in online, it's given me the belief that I can truly do this.
You meet your extended family, because that's what Now Lifestyle is.
The actual system itself, the Now Lifestyle system, is truly a business in a box.
They really truly walk you through everything and provide everything you need in one site. And not only that, when you join Now Lifestyle, you become part of our family.
So instead of going to multiple different places and buying multiple different packages, you can get it all in one.
That's why Now Lifestyle for me is because I absolutely believe in it, number one. And I know it's going to be here for years to come, decades. And
with our system, you can leverage time, leverage our tools, and put that to work for you.
What has Now Lifestyle done for me? I'm a free man. I work from wherever I want, whenever I want, and I've got time for my patients. On top of that, I'm traveling a lot. I'm in Texas twice, Mexico, Portugal, and I'm just getting started.
I know your future's bright with Now Lifestyle because if I can do it, you can do it.
So again, you have a great opportunity in front of you, and all you got to do is click that link below and you can get on our team and you can start taking action with us today, and you can start getting yourself in better shape, you can start developing some better relationships, you can get some awesome tools that will help you run a business, and you can all do it for basically, I consider it dirt cheap.
Whenever you feel ready, go ahead and click below to join our family, to join the Now Lifestyle experience so you can have your very own.
Imagine getting up in the morning and not have to race to work, getting stuck in traffic. Imagine having the sense of freedom to do whatever you want with your family. Imagine not having to worry about debt or mortgage or missing any bill payments. Imagine having a healthy and fit lifestyle and spending quality time with your family. Imagine being able to go on any vacation, anywhere, at any time. Imagine it, because that's what your future will be with Now Lifestyle.